Hi, my name is Vika. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Olympia. We provide businesses with AI-powered virtual teams. I'm a very heavy user of our own product, and that's why I decided to launch a tutorial series to showcase how I collaborate with our AI assistants on a daily basis. We just launched a social media campaign, so we'll go ahead and approach Leticia Sanchez, our AI copywriter. Here, prompts she's offering me based on our previous conversations, but I will just go ahead and say hi. Hello, hello. So today, instead of the usual prompt, I will go and tap on this arrow to upload the document. I want to upload the document with the description and instructions for our participants. In description about our social media campaign. So I'm gonna go ahead and say I want to write a newsletter. Help me create it and engage the community to participate in this campaign. I hit save. So now she's gonna analyze it for a few seconds, and yeah, here's the summary of the document, my prompt. So under her name you can see she's thanking, and you can see everything what she's doing right there. So she should give me some advice on how to proceed further. So here's the outline she proposes. Intro, how to participate, rewards and incentives, success stories, call to action, content strategy, tone, length. So I will go ahead and give her a tone. Professional, friendly, and engaging. About 500 words. The content should inform participants about the campaign and invite them to participate, to take part, share their stories, and win big with Olympia. Here's a refined outline she has for me. So you can also go ahead and double tap the message. So again, content strategy, I don't need it anymore. So I can say, okay, this plan works for me. Proceed to generating a book with a newsletter. Again, under her name you can see what she's doing. Here we go. She generates the document. which will take about 1 minute to complete. Introduction to the AI Isn't Scary campaign. This campaign is about how actually AI itself is not scary. Entrepreneurship is in a way scary. What I mean by that is we're scared of failure, of burnout, of bankruptcy. We get anxious, like you name it. So AI is actually helping us to deal with that stuff and be more productive and thrive. Alright, here's the document. It's ready. So let's see. Introduction, how you can participate, exclusive rewards and incentives. That's correct. Your story matters. That's nice. Join the movement. It's probably a little too long. Okay, so you can actually tap here and delete stuff and edit the whole doc how you see fit. So this actually looks nice. I love it. So now I'm gonna ask her to send me an email with a summary. Send me an email with a summary. This is fire. I like her work, her job. So I'm gonna give her a fire emoji here. So here we go. She's sending me newsletter summary. So well, I asked her to send me an email. She did. Otherwise, for other emails, this thing would be gray, and you will have to hit send, button send here down below, which is absent right now. So here we go. We created a newsletter, and if you want, you can actually ask someone to collaborate. For example, in a copy editor. Copy editor, Calvin. Hey Calvin, what do you think about Letitia's work? Okay. He thinks it's well structured, engaging, aligns perfectly with the campaign's objectives. Introduction effectively sets the stage. The invitation for participants to share their experiences with AI adds a value. Overall, the newsletter is professional, friendly, and engaging, achieving the desired tone. It's a strong piece that should serve well. Lovely. So we created the newsletter within just a few minutes. I demonstrated a few features here: our document uploads, our outbound email, and creating long form copy, which is ChatGPT cannot do. This is not the longest copy piece that has been generated so far. It can be several thousand words. So yeah, if you wanna participate in the campaign, I will add the button with the link to the document that I sent to Letitia. You can check it out and share your story on, surviving burnout, or getting through failure, or dealing with the fear of failure, and win our discounts. And even the best storyteller is gonna win 3 months free of our most advanced Pro Plus plan. So I encourage you to participate, and if you're not our user yet, you can win 15% discount on sign up for our Pro Plus plan. So I encourage you to sign up, try collaborating with our AI team. It is definitely cheaper than human team, and if you can't hire many humans, you can hire many AI powered virtual assistants at Olympia. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.